Okay, I'm back. This is 2018 Yukon, GMC Yukon XL. We just replaced the rear shock, the one with the air. Okay, this is a new line that this shock came with. So I'm running this line all the way to the other side where the compressor is. I'm gonna join them together. And that's it. The old line has got a different fitting, that's why I cannot use it, right? So I run this wire over there. As you can see, I use the straps to attach it, and I run it to the other side of the car where the compressor is, where I'm gonna join the other shock. There is a T-split, new T-split. You connect all two lines, and then I connected it directly to the compressor outtake, I guess. That's where the air is coming out. Okay, anyways, so this is finished now. This bolt is tightened, the one up there is tightened. This is installed. I also looked at the brakes, re-greased the brakes because the pads were not moving freely now here, so I put a little bit of grease here. I grinded off the rust, and anyways, okay, so this is done, this side. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye.